An orange blinking light on an AT&T modem typically indicates a problem with the internet connection. To address this issue, several steps can be taken. First, consulting the modem's user manual online may provide valuable insight. Additionally, examining the error logs on the modem can offer clues about the source of the problem. It is also helpful to check other devices to confirm whether the issue is isolated to the modem or a broader internet connection problem. Verifying that the Ethernet cable is properly connected between the router and the cell booster device is another important step. If these measures do not resolve the issue, attempting a factory reset by holding down the red reset button on the back of the modem for approximately 30 seconds may be necessary. In some cases, the problem may stem from incompatible configuration settings, which can occur when changes are made to device settings that affect communication with other devices on the network and the internet. Resetting the modem to its default settings can often resolve this issue. If none of these solutions are effective, contacting the manufacturer's customer support, accessible through their website, may provide further assistance.